Hello, my students. JS1 students. Today we'll be looking at your Igbo according to your skin. Some of you do Igbo L1, while some of you do Igbo L2. That is why I will be speaking Igbo and speaking English as well. So this is your JS1 Igbo class. Here bụ Igbo class maka ndị nọ na ụmụ akwụkwọ nọ na JS1. So and nke a bụ third term. This is third term scheme of work. According to your third term scheme of work. So yeah, this number 1 is week 1, week 2 to 3, week 4, week 5 to 6, week 7 to 8, week 9 to 10. Then week 11 is Mehare, which is the revision. Week 12 is Ule, which is examination. 13 is Mechi, which is closure. But today we'll be looking at ọnụọgụgụ site n'otu ruo na puku narị ise. That is numbers from 1 to 500,000. From 1 to 500,000. Now, so this is how we'll be running it now. This is 0, which means 0. 0. In Igbo, 0 is called Efu. Look at it here. 0 is called Efu. 0 is called Efu. Then let's go back. We have 0 here. 0. O2 is 1. O2, 1. Iri means 10. Iri means 10. Nare means 100. Nare means 100. Puku, P-U-K-U. Puku means 1,000. Nde, N-D-E. Nde means million. Now have that Efu, 0, which is Efu. E-F-U, Efu, Efu. Now we now have 4 over 5. 4 over 5, which is Ano n'ime ise. Ano n'ime ise, that is 4 over 5. Now let's start this one now. Have 1 O2, the main reading. 1 O2, 2 abụọ, 3 anọ. Let's start from the beginning. 1 O2, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 isii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 iteghete ma ọ bụ itoolu. If you don't call 9 iteghete, you can refer to it as itoolu, 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 or iteghete. 10 iri. 11 iri na otu. 12 iri na abụọ. 13 iri na atọ. 14 iri na anọ. 15 iri na ise. 16 iri na isii. 17 iri na asaa. 18 iri na asatọ. 19 iri na iteghete. Remember, if you don't call it iteghete, you call it itoolu. So 19 is iri na iteghete or itoolu. 20, iri abụọ. 20, iri abụọ. 30, iri atọ. 30, iri atọ. 35, iri atọ na ise. Alright? 40, iri anọ. 50, iri ise. Now, if you can notice, from 35 and 11, 19, 20, you'll be able to see iri anọ asatọ. You usually see na. Whenever you see na, that means it's telling you about either it's not a number that is together, like 20, 30, 40, 100. It's not. So when you see iri abụọ, what that means that it is 20. When you see iri na abụọ, it is not 20 again. It is not 20 again. Iri na abụọ. What that means is that whenever you see na, what is it? Iri means what? 10. Na abụọ means what? Iri na abụọ, which means 12. 12. Alright, please observe these things. You have 30. If it's just 30, it means what? Iri atọ. Or now it is 35, which is iri atọ na ise. Iri atọ na ise. We now have 40, iri anọ. 50, iri ise. If it is 51, you call it iri ise na otu. If it is 50, from 51 to 59, you can call it iri ise na otu, iri ise na abụọ, iri ise na atọ, iri ise na anọ, iri ise na ise, iri ise na isii, iri ise na asaa, iri ise na asatọ, then to go on. But if it is only like 40, 50, 60, just iri ise, simple. 60, like 70 now, you have iri asaa. If it is 71, you call it iri asaa na otu. If it's 77, you call it iri asaa na asaa. Simple. And I have 80, iri asatọ. 90, iri iteghete. 100, you have narị. When you enter 100, everything will change to narị. So 100 in Igbo means narị. If you can remember at the beginning, we started with those things. Narị. 100 is narị or otu narị. 200 is narị abụọ. Narị abụọ. If it is 201, you call it narị abụọ na otu. You can see it now. Narị abụọ na otu. Now 300, we have narị atọ. 400, narị anọ. 500, narị ise. 600, narị isii. 700, narị asaa. 800, narị asatọ. 900, narị itoolu. Now I have this one, which is 999 half. 999 and what? Half. What does it mean? It means in Igbo, it means narị itoolu, iri itoolu na itoolu na ọkara. Look at it. 999 and half means in Igbo narị itoolu, iri itoolu na itoolu na ọkara. Then we have 1000, which is otu puku. Puku means 1,000. Puku means 1,000. So we have 100,000, we have otu puku. 200, 2,000, not 200, sorry. 1,000. 1,000 is otu puku. 1,000 is otu puku. So puku is under what? 1,000. Now have 2,000, which is puku abụọ. If it is 2001 or 2002, okay, let's say 2001, you see, puku abụọ na otu. That's over here. If it's 2002, you see puku abụọ na abụọ. Simple. Simple as that. Igbo is simple. Oh? Okay, let's continue. Have 3,000, which is puku atọ. 4,000 puku anọ, 5,000 puku ise, 10,000 puku iri, 20,000 puku iri abụọ, 20,001, iri abụọ na otu, iri abụọ na otu puku. That's typographical mistake here. Iri abụọ na otu puku. That's what it's supposed to be. Okay? Here we have here, let me shift this thing. We have 20,099. 20,099. That is puku iri abụọ na iri itoolu na itoolu. Okay, here. Sorry. Under this 20,001, what is supposed to be is puku iri abụọ na otu, not iri abụọ na otu puku. No. What is supposed to be is puku, which is 1,000, puku iri abụọ, which is 20,001. Puku iri abụọ na otu. Please take that correction. That's 20,099, which is puku iri abụọ na iri itoolu na itoolu. We now have 30,000, which is puku iri atọ, 40,000 puku iri anọ, 50,000 puku iri ise, 60,000 puku iri isii, 70,000 puku iri asaa, 80,000 puku iri asatọ, 90,000 puku iri itoolu, 99,000 puku iri itoolu na itoolu. Puku iri itoolu na itoolu. That's correct. 100,000 otu puku narị. Correct. 200,000 puku narị abụọ. 300,000 puku narị atọ. 400,000 puku narị anọ. 499,000 puku narị anọ na iri itoolu na itoolu. Thank you very much. 499,000 means puku narị anọ na iri itoolu na itoolu. The last one is 500,000, which is puku narị ise, which is puku narị ise. 500,000 puku narị ise. All right, thank you very much. This is nnwale. Nnwale means classwork or assignment. So do this once. Depụta ọnụọgụgụ ndị a n'Igbo. So do this once at home. This is numbers. Write it out in Igbo as we just did in this teaching. Write it out in Igbo. This is 25, 88, 444, and so many of them. So just write it out in Igbo as I did earlier on. So please write it out in Igbo, and you can send me your answers to my WhatsApp number, which is 07088742960. So please, this Igbo program was brought to you by Uzie Academy HSA. We are we are an education agency. Yes, we teach our students online and offline. So depending on your choice, you want us to teach you mathematics, English, Igbo, any subject online, we can do that. We use Zoom and Cisco WebEx as a platform to do that. If you want us to come to your house, we have our network of educators, that is teachers, come to the comfort of your home and teach you. If you're an adult or a child that you don't know how to read or write, just contact us. We will do well to teach you those reading and writing. If you're preparing for common entrance, or if your child is preparing for common entrance, you as well do that, online or offline. So if you want to know how to read Igbo or write Igbo, this is a great platform. Get us involved, especially Igbo people. We don't know our language. In fact, our language is running away from us. So if you're a parent, if you're an Igbo parent, you want your child to learn Igbo, or you yourself want to learn Igbo, do well to contact us. 081 33 57 7465. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel now, because we have other things to release to you. Thank you very much. This reading is JS1 according to JS1 scheme of work. Third term scheme of work. If you need the note for the third term, do well to contact us as well. In this channel, we believe in knowledge. Our slogan here is pursue knowledge. What you know today is 100% capable of helping you today and tomorrow. Thank you very much, and God bless.